Are you dreaming of a gourmet kitchen where you can whip up culinary masterpieces? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a foodie at heart, let's talk about what it really takes to turn the dream into reality without breaking the bank.
So what exactly is a gourmet kitchen? Ask an architect and they'll tell you it's a state-of-the-art setup designed for cooking exotic, restaurant-quality meals at home. But home builders, they see it as a high-end yet casual space for serious cooks to impress their guests. No chef's hat required.
Start with a budget. Step 1, know your budget. Remodeling costs can add up fast, so be realistic about what you can afford. And here's a tip. Avoid mixing high-end appliances with low-cost finishes. It can make the rest of your kitchen feel out of place. Semi-custom cabinets can save you a ton without sacrificing style or functionality. And if you're really on a budget, stock cabinets now come in more options than ever.
Plan your layouts and features. Next, think about how you actually use your kitchen. Are you cooking solo or with a partner? Do you entertain guests while preparing meals? A good flow to your kitchen is key. So consider adding a kitchen island with seating. It's perfect for both cooking and hosting. And don't forget the appliances. Dual fuel ranges, double ovens, and professional grade stoves are must-haves for serious cooks.
Hot trends and practical tips. Speaking of appliances, double ovens are still trending for a reason. Ever wished you could cook 3 dishes at once? And if you want to splurge, brands like Viking are amazing alternatives to the classic Wolf range. Not sure if you'll actually use that wine chiller or built-in espresso machine? Be honest about your lifestyle. A feature you rarely use is just a wasted space.
Save smart without sacrificing style. Here's the deal. You don't have to tear your kitchen apart for a gourmet upgrade. Sometimes small changes like adding better lighting, upgrading countertops, or swapping in high-quality appliances can make a huge difference. And don't forget to look for certified cabinets that meet industry standards. Trust me, it's worth it for durability.
With careful planning and smart choices, your dream gourmet kitchen can be within reach. Whether it's creating space for that dual fuel range or upgrading cabinets, every step brings you closer to your culinary haven. So what's your gourmet kitchen dream? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips. Let's make your dream kitchen a reality.